Okay, little Miss Martin.
Right.
Let's see if you can do better. Nice, easy. Whee! Good girl. Okay, Jeeta. Here comes Jeeta. Good boy, buddy. Okay, how about another try? One more try.
You want them together?
Yeah.
Come on, fatties. Get back here. Little Miss Martin.
Tyler's gotta go get the puppies. Make them slide again. What you doing, Roxy? Roxy, anybody home?
Not in her head.
She says, I'll go down the slide, Tyler. Here they come, climbing up the slide. Okay, get out of the way, Brady. Lexi, get out of the way. Here they come. Whee! Yay! Jeeta says, I want to go again. You running back over, Jeeta, to get in line? Oh, pigs, you got to go down the slide. Go down, piggers. Woo!
Rocky.
How about Emmy and Jesse?
Emmy. Miss Emmy Pink. Come here. Alright, fine, Jesse Jameson.
Jesse Jameson's gonna go down the slide. Go, Jesse, yay!
Come here, Em.
Emmy's like, I don't think I like sliding. She goes, I don't like playgrounds. I don't like playgrounds. Let's go, Emmy. Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy. Go, Emmy.
You just ran.
What you two doing? Put Morgan down.
You want me to?
Yeah, can you lift her?
Morgan,
Do we need to get a hoist? The hoist. Oh, the crane. The crane. Oh. Look at Sophie. Sophie wants to do it. Okay, Morgie.
Wow.
Yay, Morgie.
That was dangerous.
Put Sophie.
Sophie, come here. So Piggy
Look, Sophie's trying to start it with Morgan now.
Sophie, come here.
Okay, Sophie, your turn. She's like, I'm leaving this house to get away from all this.
Yeah, with me.
Sophie, you think it's going to be any better? Tyler's going to torture you
Watch
every
out,
day.
Sophie's coming down at you.
Whee!
Yeah.